Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a dotted line in Figma in just a few simple steps. First, let's grab the line tool. Look at the bottom of your canvas and click on Shape Tools to open up your options. From the menu that appears, select the Line option. Now you can draw your line. Just click and drag your cursor across the canvas wherever you'd like the line to appear. With your line selected, head over to the Design tab on the right. In the Strokes section, you'll see a small icon for advanced stroke settings. Go ahead and click that. This opens up more stroke options. Click on the Stroke Style drop-down menu. You'll see several style options here. Select Dash to convert your solid line into a dashed pattern. Here's where you can customize the look. Adjust the dash length, gap spacing, dash cap style, and join settings until you get the dotted effect you want. To finalize your changes, just click anywhere on the canvas outside the settings panel. Perfect! Your dotted line is now complete and ready to use in your design. That's all there is to it. You now know how to create and customize dotted lines in Figma. Feel free to run through this again anytime.